Let's learn alphabet K. K is for kite. A lightweight frame covered with cloth or paper that flies in the wind on a string. Again, K letter. K is for kangaroo, a large marsupial from Australia that hoops on its strong back legs. Again K. K is for key, a small metal object used to lock and unlock doors or start a car. Again K letter. K is for kitten, a baby cat that is small, playful, and often very cute. And last one, again K letter. K is for king, a male ruler of a country who usually comes to power through inheritance.